only live once, so get it how you live. Money over everything, you already know what it is. Greedy for the money, guess they make the girls go dig. Rack City chick, rack city chick. Get enough racks, nigga, I can own your city, bitch. Here I go again, I say here I go again. Bumping off a Young Money beat, but my money grown. I threw two $100 bills at each one of her ass cheek. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Y'all niggas is so weak. Hate to tell you this, but your daughter is a big freak. Not only got a bed rockin', but I show her some things in my car seat. The weed is louder than motorbike. Say my money longer than Shaq height. I can pull more girls than Trace on Usher and bout 2 dice. My dime is a block of sight. Heel is the touch of my homeboy, get it right. Clean as hell like I stepped outside in all white. I ain't toothless, but I'm spitting it. No Karate Kid, but I'm still kicking shit. So you already know what the motto is. Never ever ever do it small, always do it big. Real nigga, what's up? And now you know the motto, and you can scream YOLO. But better is great, there's B, so come and follow. And I do it big every day, every day, every day. All in your house party like the third member of a Kid and Play. Rhyme still hotter than June, July, and May. And always every day, real niggas stay up. I'm the fucking man, you don't get it, do you? Niggas hate when all the girls really let them choose you. How you feel, how you feel, how you feel? You still being fake while being real, pay my bills. I'm like MJ with the ball, still my ball is a mic, that mean I got skills. Anything she say she won't do for you, for me, I bet she will.
Now she want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the motto, nigga, YOLO. And we bout it every day, every day, every day. Like we sitting on the bench, nigga, we don't really play. Every day, every day, fuck what anybody say. Can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Real nigga, what's up?